The Clover Club is a classic pre-prohibition cocktail that's a delightful mix of gin, fresh raspberry syrup, lemon juice, and egg white. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces gin, a good quality gin like Bombay Sapphire or Plymouth. Half an ounce raspberry syrup, homemade if possible for the best flavor. 3/4 of an ounce, fresh lemon juice, always freshly squeezed. 1 egg white, to add a rich, frothy texture. Garnish raspberries, optional, for decoration. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, martini glass, jigger, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Add gin, raspberry syrup, lemon juice, and egg white to a cocktail shaker. Dry shake, shake without ice, vigorously to emulsify the egg white. Add ice to the shaker and shake again until well chilled. Double strain into a chilled martini glass. Garnish with fresh raspberries if desired. The Clover Club cocktail was named after a men's club in Philadelphia that dates back to the late 1800s. It's one of the few classic cocktails that uses egg white for a silky texture and a beautiful frothy top.